Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we are going to see how to convert any audio with the Audacity program so that we can use it in our IVR answering machine. Many of you have probably experienced dialing the IVR and getting the following error message.
An error has occurred. Goodbye.
And the call is automatically hung up. Let's see how to fix this error and why it happens. First, we'll open the folder where we have the audio file. Here it is, and we'll go to the Audacity program. We'll move this file to the program and see if it was recorded correctly. If you look closely, it's in stereo format. We'll go to the audio settings section and see the following specifications for that audio. It's in stereo, 16,000 Hz, and 24 bits, which is incorrect. Let's see how to convert it quickly. We open Audacity and the first thing we do is go to this button or this menu where there are three dots, and we are going to separate the audio from stereo to mono. Once separated, we can delete either of the two audios. We click here on the X and now we have only one. Now we are going to prepare this audio for conversion. Go to the Audio Settings tab, set the channel to mono, both options to 8000 Hz and 16 bits, then click OK. We can also do this from Edit, Preferences, Audio Settings, Mono Channel, 8000 Hz, 16 bits, and click OK. Export the file in File, Export Audio, Export to Computer, and give it a different name. Add New so that it creates another file. It must be in WAV format, Mono Channel, 8000 Hz, and 16 bits, which is what is needed. Export to the folder here where we have the audio and click on Export. Once done, we check the folder and here we have the new audio. We are going to import it into the IP PBX, go to Call Features, IVR, enter our IVR, and here we had the previous one. We are going to replace it with the new Welcome IVR New. We open it and simply select it, click Save and Apply, and wait a moment. Once the changes have been applied, we go to System Status, Active Calls, and proceed to dial it.
Thank you for calling Acme Corporation. Press 1 for technical assistance, press 2 for sales support, or press 0 to speak to an operator.
If you look, you will see that the audio is now playing without any problems and, therefore, the call no longer hangs up. With this test, we conclude the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.